Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are here at Evans Head, just having a bit of a look around today and then heading south. So I'll give you a bit of a look around. So we're just on the mouth of the river here, right at Evans Head. Just having a bit of a walk around. And a couple of surfers out on the other side on the beach break. So we spotted a couple of dolphins in here before and put the drone up. So I'll add some of that footage in later on as well. So I'm not 100% sure what's quite here. I haven't explored the area as of yet. I know they've got a caravan park and surf club over the far side. So we found that so far. So you've got a nice walking track that goes right around the water's edge from what I can tell, which is pretty good. Nice little skate park, heap of different ramps and jumps there for the kids. So let's keep exploring and see what else we can find in this town. So we've had a look down the main street. It is early on a Sunday morning They got a bakery, shopping centre, chemist, a lot of little knick-knack stores, butcher. As you can see, there's not a huge street. They got a library and schools, medical centre. There's a reserve just up around the corner that people are all camping in at the moment. Post office, news agent. They've even got a museum here, which is pretty cool. I can't see it being open on a Sunday morning at this time, but might have to come back and camp here. We're just travelling through at the moment, just checking things out. Thought we'd do a little bit of a clip on it. Lots of little motels around and a couple of caravan parks. So yeah, we're going to keep moving and start heading south again, unless we find something else. Oh, they do have a bowls club here too.